This is a handheld stainless steel sifter cup, and it's a total game changer for achieving light, airy bakes. The best part, it's dishwasher safe. The design is simple. It's a high-grade stainless steel cup with measurement markings stamped right into the metal, so you aren't guessing how much you've poured in. Now, here's the magic. The semi-automatic spring handle does all the heavy lifting. Just a simple squeeze rotates the internal blade against the mesh. The great thing is that the flour doesn't just fall through on its own. Instead, the mechanism breaks up every single lump and aerates the flour instantly. You can see the difference immediately. The flour comes out like fine snow. Why does this matter? Sifted flour mixes faster, prevents overmixing, and gives your cakes and cookies that professional finish. It's pretty satisfying to use. Happy baking!